Hello students, this lecture is for grade 8 science and today we will continue chapter number 2 which is microorganisms friend or foe, and the topic which we will discuss today is useful microorganisms, and it is the third part of useful microorganisms. And in this part we will discuss two useful effects of microorganisms, which are role of microorganisms in increased soil fertility and role of microorganisms in cleaning the environment. So let's start with role of microorganisms to increase soil fertility. How? Let me tell you. So students, as you know, the soil is the home of many animals, and the microorganisms like some algae, bacteria, fungi are present in the soil and use the soil as their habitat. So these microorganisms are living in the soil, and in return they are providing some nutrient to the soil. And bacteria and fungi present in the soil feed on dead remains of animals and plants and form humus. Humus is a preventing layer which increase the fertility of soil and made up of organic materials. This humus is rich in nutrient and make the soil more fertile. With it, some bacteria like rhizobium and blue-green algae are able to fix nitrogen gas from the atmosphere to enrich the soil with nitrogenous compounds and increase its fertility. And the nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae are known as biological nitrogen fixers, as they are doing this. Let me explain how. As you know that nitrogen gas is present in abundance in nature, approximately 78% in the form of nitrogen gas N2. But this form of nitrogen gas as N2 is not usable for living organisms as nitrogen present in atmosphere in inactive form. And to convert this nitrogen in usable form, we have to convert it into nitrogenous compounds such as nitrate, nitrite, ammonia and ammonium ions. Some part of this nitrogen gas convert into nitrogenous compounds with the help of the process lightning during thunder. But only this amount of nitrogenous compound is not sufficient for living organisms. So blue-green algae present in the soil as well as some bacteria such as rhizobium etc. are capable to convert this nitrogen gas into usable form of nitrogenous compounds for living organisms. These rhizobium bacteria lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants such as groundnut, gram and pulses, and convert the nitrogen gas into nitrogenous compound which get mixed with soil, and by these blue-green algae and bacteria increase the soil fertility. Now we will discuss the role of microorganisms in cleaning environment. The microorganisms decompose dead organic wastes of plant and animal and convert them into simpler substances, and these substances are again used by other plants and animals. Thus microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substances and thereby cleans up the environment. As these microorganisms consume dead plants and animals and decompose them, reduce them into simpler organic matter. The fungi and some certain bacteria are known as primary decomposers, and fungi and bacteria play an important role in nature as they break down the unused dead material and turn them into nutrient for the soil which plant use to grow. They are the important part of the food chain as well as they are helpful in cleaning environment. With it, some specific type of bacteria can break down the toxic pollutant into simpler substances and they stop the pollution. With it, some species of these microorganisms also help clean harmful pollutant out of the environment in a process called bioremediation. So students, it is all about the role of microorganisms in increased soil fertility and cleaning the environment. Thank you.